Hey everyone, welcome back to COVID Corner. We have two special guests today. We have our program director, Jennifer Christy, and we have our admissions coordinator, Cara Bullard, to answer some questions about our program. So we'll start with Cara first. And Cara, can you tell us a little bit about if admissions has changed because of COVID this year?
So we've had a few changes kind of based on the impact of COVID. And we'll see, the changes are going to be in effect for the application cycle 2020-2021 year. So this upcoming admission cycle. The changes that we're going to have are there's going to be no GRE required. There's also going to be no observation hours required. So previous cycles, you will have noticed that there was a GRE required and there was observation hours. So we are removing that requirement. The applicant this year is going to be evaluated based on their GPA, their response to the essays, and their performance on the interview. So those are the three components that's going to make up the application this year. Since we're removing a few of the elements, the GRE and the observation hours, we're also going to add an additional essay question this year. That's going to give the applicant an opportunity to talk about other ways that they've strengthened their application. I host a monthly admissions meeting, and I'd be happy to talk about these in length. Any questions that you have, I encourage all of our applicants to attend that session because I kind of walk them through the entire admissions process, and I'll talk more about those changes that we've made.
All right. And Dr. Christy, can you update us on any program changes from COVID?
Absolutely. It has been a wild ride, as it has been for everyone in the country. But our DPT program is stronger than ever right now. We are so fortunate to be at a major university that has amazing resources for us and support for us. So all of the faculty have been teaching from home. We've been the faculty do a variety of different teaching methods. For example, some faculty may want to record their lectures ahead of time, post them for the students on our campus platform, and then later in the week have a rich discussion about that material. Other faculty may choose to teach live and then record those lectures. But the students are getting the material. Our first and second year students were obviously pulled on March 25th, I believe. That was the first day that we started our online. It was right after spring break. And our first year students, they only had a few months on campus before they had to move to this model. And our second year students had to also be pulled from some clinical lab courses. So obviously the physical therapy profession is not something that you can do online, right? At some point you have to come together and put your hands on each other and learn how to treat patients. So what we're doing is we're planning for some intense laboratory sessions for our students when we get the green light and when it is safe for us to come back. So we're the faculty and the staff, and we are working very hard to plan for that so that all of our students can hopefully finish all of their spring and summer laboratory requirements by fall semester. UAB is planning to have fall semester on campus. I'm sure that will also look a little bit different, but our faculty, our students are so resilient, and we're just going to make this happen. A little bit about our clinical students, they got pulled from their first long-term clinical when all of this hit. But a great thing is that our students don't graduate until December, so we have plenty of time for the students to go back into their long-term clinical and hopefully finish up by graduation. So the faculty is working very hard to get the appropriate PPE, all of the equipment that our students will need to prepare them for all of the new requirements, the new regulations that we'll have to follow due to COVID-19. And our number one priority, of course, is to keep everyone very safe and healthy.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for coming on and answering some questions about how admissions have changed and updates on our program.
Yeah, and I just have to make one more quick announcement. So we have two great things that happened this semester. So we're trying to, just kind of plug all the positives. The first one is that the UAB DPT program was ranked number 13 in the nation for all DPT programs by US News and World Report. So that's fantastic. And also we just received notice of our reaccreditation for the next 10 years from CAPTE. So that was also some fantastic news. So if you come to UAB, you're in the right place. You will be an amazing physical therapist.
Agreed. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.